just on some back roads now, working our way towards the Jade Jamboree meetup location, which is where we're gonna set up base camp for the night. A little foggy this morning, but these are the very first people to show up. Hey! Morning!
Morning!
And it's alright. It's alright, Anders. Nice to meet you.
My name's Rob, actually. Rob? Ben, Grace.
Grace, nice to meet you. You said you've been rocking no doors, no top.
Doors, no top. No top since April, no doors since the start of summer.
I love it. And in a new Jeep, too. You're not babying it at all.
2016.
And you got the carpet removed, that's smart.
Yeah.
Otherwise it just locks in the moisture and rust.
Exactly.
Oh, we got some more Jeeps coming. Look at all the Jeeps. We got a convoy arriving. It's not even 10 yet. Everyone's early today. How's it going? What's up, man? Nice Jeep, man.
You look so much bigger on YouTube.
I know.
Yeah, she's tiny.
I know, she looks bigger on YouTube.
Hey, Colden. Maybe you'll meet Anders today. She'd like to meet you.
Yeah, probably.
You're a pretty pup. 2 weeks ago you guys got him?
2 weeks ago. He's
That's
3
so
months
great.
old.
Wow, beautiful dog.
Thank you.
Which Jeep is yours?
Right there, that black one.
Oh, the black TJ there?
Yep.
What's your first vehicle going to be? A Jeep? Maybe?
Hopefully.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hoping on it.
Trying to persuade the youth. Cannot believe the turnout out here. Humbling. Gotta keep making my rounds. Lots of new people showing up. Got Ben over here selling some merch. Got the food drive. Looks like we're doing great.
No, I removed it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Matt? Danielle. We're gonna be taking the group photo soon here, but I cannot believe the turnout. I'm just blown away. I never have any idea how many people are gonna show up or what, but we have so many wonderful people out here. Tons and tons of Jeeps. There's only something like 4 non-Jeep vehicles. This is pretty awesome. And the food drive's going great. Yeah. We got tons of food building up. How's it going over here? Really good. Meeting a lot of great people like this guy.
How you doing?
Where'd you drive in from?
Just Clinton.
Clinton.
About 38 miles from here.
With that beautiful CJ5 right here. It looks fully restored too. That's nice.
But it's going in the woods.
Yeah, well that's good. Hey, you gotta use it.
I use it.
And you got no doors or anything. You're all set up.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
Right? Julie and Shane with Central Maine Jeep owners end up bringing a convoy with them today at the meetup. And they're hosting one of their biggest events next weekend too, right?
Yeah, Ghost Train Convoy.
The Ghost Train Convoy. And you guys have something going on today though, a charity run, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that all about?
Colorectal cancer. We have a member that's going through cancer treatments right now, and we're just raising awareness for that and getting him out in the woods for the day.
That's great.
Taking his mind off of it.
Yep.
Just from talking with them a little bit, it sounds like they really have a strong influence on the Jeep community here in Maine, and ended up founding Central Maine Jeep Owners back in 2016, and it's already almost 3,000 members.
Almost, yeah.
That's crazy. So if you guys want to check that out, or if you're from Maine and looking to join a Jeep club, there you go.
That's right.
So they do a lot of runs. They have a calendar that shows all their events, things like that. So
Sweet, thanks.
all the way from Boston, Massachusetts.
Yeah.
Connor and Nicole. You guys gonna go trail riding with us?
Yeah.
Maybe camping?
I have to work tomorrow.
Okay, well at least we can do some trail riding.
I had to see you before I go back to school.
That's awesome, man. How long you guys been following the channel and the journey?
You lived in a sailboat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sailboat days. You guys haven't checked those out. You gotta see the sailboat
Yeah.
days. That's where it
was
all
fun.
started.
Yep.
That's awesome, man. Well, I really appreciate your support coming all this way.
You're welcome. Love to see you.
A few technical difficulties, but the drone is up in the air. And it's time for the group photo. All of you guys right here, you guys made this safe visit. We'll just kind of stare at it for a bit. Take a screenshot. Hopefully it's working. If not, we got our memories. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Stare. The man himself, Dan Brown, who reached out and even did a little reconnaissance mission up here, making sure everything was open for us. So
glad to have you.
He's gonna be the trail leader. Yeah, so appreciate it, man.
Absolutely, man.
He's making this whole thing happen. So he found out this meeting location as well. So worked out. Todd is gonna be one of our trail guides. Glad to have you with
thanks
us,
for having
man.
me.
Mike is gonna be another trail guide. Appreciate it.
We're going to be running on ATV trails, so I want to make sure everyone has their lights on. We're going to be on channel 16, and for the people who have CBs, we'll have a trail guide in the front, Grace is going to be in the middle, and we'll have Chris in the back. If anything goes bad, Jeeps breaks down, just pull over, we'll all stop. Just kind of keep the person behind you in mind. And stay to the right, because we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be on ATVs. There's going to be a wide trail, but there's a heavy traffic today, as you can hear. All right, Mike, we'll get the lead Jeeps lined up.
We're gonna start lining people up, then we're gonna head out on the trail. Got the convoy. We're spot number 4. We gotta jump in, go head up there. We'll see you guys on the trail. You ready, Anders? All right, dude, let's do it. We're all gathered up, and some of us are gonna go to Moxie Falls, some of us are gonna go get lunch. This cool guy, Frank, he's heading back to Massachusetts. He drove 6.5 hours just to come hang out.
Yeah,
so
hang out with you, buddy.
once we get to Massachusetts, we're gonna visit this guy, and he's gonna cook us some Puerto Rican food.
There you go. Yes.
Never had Puerto Rican food.
Okay, so good. Take
Hey,
it easy.
Really nice to meet
buddy.
you,
Take it
man.
easy.
Thanks for
Okay,
coming.
No problem.
We got a starter failure going on, just jumped her. I mean, wouldn't be a Jeep trip without something going on. Take care. They just did the old tap the starter trick and it got her going.
It worked.
I've done that twice. It worked the first time, didn't work the second time. The second time was in Mexico when it really, really mattered. People got different plans today, but it was great meeting you guys.
So good to meet you.
Yeah, so nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Take care, yeah. Take care.
Have a good one.
Yeah, safe travels.
Yes, you too.
Take it easy. Yep. Yeah. We'll see ya. Take care. About a mile or two up, we have Moxie Falls. It's just a short little hike, and apparently it's totally worth seeing. So we're gonna check out Moxie Falls. You ever been out to Moxie Falls?
Nope.
It's gonna be great. I heard a lot of good things about it. We got all of these wonderful people going on the hike with us. Yeah, this is great. How's the view down here?
It's perfect. Just don't slip. It's a pretty big fall.
Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit. My Jeep's about to get stolen. What are you guys doing in there? Big shout out to this guy for helping us out.
All right, thank you. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
The group is dispersing once again, thinning out. We got some people going to a restaurant, and then we got the rest of us. We're all going camping. And this cool guy, Dan, is gonna help us find a camping spot tonight. We got the map pulled out. I'm sure we'll find something. What do you think about this spot, Andy? Huh? We finally made it. Thanks to Dan, we found base camp. Tonight, this is where we're staying. Man, we got at least 10 different vehicles, a lot of cool people, and man, it's still raining out. We got hit with some crazy rain. I got my rain pants on. Even started hailing on the way. How about that hail?
That was pretty crazy.
Right?
I was just worried for you with that window.
Yeah. We got some people tent camping, some people just sleeping in their Jeep. I was hoping just to sleep on the roof and not have to set anything up, but we'll see. Definitely got another rain cloud coming. This guy, this cool dude's hammock camping. There you go, tarp, hammock, you're set. Got a little bit of a fire going, but it's just pouring on us again. You can probably hear the thunder. It's gonna be a rainy night. Bear with me, a few technical difficulties. GoPro died this morning, so I'm keeping my camera safe underneath the cover of Jade. Bunch of strangers gathered, doing cool stuff. I don't know, it's kind of cool. We're all hanging out, fire going. We'll see how long that lasts. It's lightning, thundering, pouring on us. What a blast today though. Thank you guys all for hanging out with us. I had a blast, and we survived the storm, so that's good too. No one got electrocuted or nothing, so.
Good old time.
Yeah. This is the remaining crew, the camping crew after the Jade Jamboree. 3, 2, 1, Jeep! This cool guy right here, William, I gotta give this guy a shout out. We were having some drone issues yesterday. He happened to have a Mavic as well. So he lended it to me, and also got some shots at the waterfall.
Absolutely, dude.
Around camp. So hey,
Glad to help you out.
It's great to meet you.
Yeah,
and
nice
thanks
to meet you too.
Yeah, saving the day. Yeah. One of the remaining survivors of the storm. You guys might recognize her if you follow her on Instagram. Stover Girl, aka Grace. She's really active in the Jeep community, especially with women's off-roading and stuff, right?
Yep, we had an event last week for Off-Road Basics, had a big turnout, and everybody wants to do it again, so hopefully we'll get to that next year.
That's awesome. So, and that's in Maine?
Yep, that's with Lake Region Jeepers out of Bridgeton, but we go all over. We have events all the time, all different kinds of skill levels. You can learn a lot no matter what trail you go on.
That's perfect. So yeah, if any of you are interested, check her stuff out, and best of luck.
Thank you.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. See you later.
Connor and Jen have offered to bring all the food drive items, probably to a local food shelter in Portland. So you guys rock. We don't have room for all the food, and you guys pretty much are awesome. So
Thank you.
actually, you really are awesome.
See you later.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Nice to see you guys.
Yeah. These guys rock. So
Good to see you.
thank you guys, safe travels. Once again, I just want to thank all of you who came out to the Jade Jamboree and showed your support. It means a lot. I had such a great time, and I hope you guys did as well. I also would like to take this as an opportunity to announce state number 8, which will be New Hampshire. So if there's any of you in New Hampshire that would like to try to help us coordinate the next Jade Jamboree for your state, please email official iamjake@gmail.com. We'll also be going through the 50 state questionnaires, and we'll be trying to meet up with locals in New Hampshire as well. So if you guys want to hang out, fill that out, and we'll be seeing you soon. Finally, I'd like to end this video with some thank yous. Jared Oberto, Robert Kurz, Eric Jakubik, and Joyce Batesel. Jarrett, Robert, Eric, Joyce, thank you guys so much for becoming Patreon pledges. Really means a lot. You guys are helping us out so much, and I cannot thank you enough.